Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to remove the driver's door panel. There's a little piece of plastic trim behind the handle. We're going to use a plastic prying tool. Get these from 1aauto.com. Just pop it out. Put that aside. There's a Phillips head screw behind here. Unscrew that. Take that screw out, put it aside. You need to get the master window switch out. This trim is also going to come off, the silver trim. Best way is to get one of these prying tools back here and just kind of pry up on it. It's going to kind of go straight up. So all the tabs here and the clips. We'll put that aside. Now this should pull up and out. Then we'll unlock it by pushing down the lock tab, pulling that out. There is a hidden screw inside this little grab pocket. Take the prying tool and just flip up this rubber piece. Just take it out, and there's your screw down in there. Take your Phillips head screwdriver. Pull that screw out. I'm going to remove this courtesy light from the bottom of the door. Take a small flat-bladed screwdriver. Just slide it in there. Pry it right out. You can unplug it. Pushing the lock, pulling it out. I need to pop the door panel off the clips. Sometimes you need to use a plastic prying tool. Sometimes you start at the bottom, work your way up. Sometimes it takes quite a bit of force to get these off. It feels like you're going to break them, but you're really not. It's best to do this on a day that's pretty warm though. With those all free, the door panel is going to come straight up off of the door panel. Just like that. And the actual handle assembly just came right out from behind it. The door panel removed. To take the door handle out with the lock assembly, just flip it over, pop this out, the cable, kind of turn it, pop the little lead weight out of there. Do the same for the other one. That one popped out really easy. I'll reinstall it. White one went on the top to line up the little ball in there. Turn it, clip it in place. The same for this one. Line it up there, turn it, clip it in place. I'll reinstall the door panel. Gonna line up our door handle through here. Going to make sure that the courtesy light harness is coming through the bottom. Just like that. Make sure our master window switch is up in the opening. Go to the top of the door panel and hook it over, pull it down, and then push it into the clips. Make sure our master window switch harness stays up here, doesn't get caught. Push it all back into the clips. Reinstall the screw. Install the screw that's in here. In that little foam piece. Install this trim. Put it in the front first. Snaps into place. Plug the master window switch back in. Push it into place. Take our silver trim, we'll line it up. Kind of slides down from the top.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.